Alden, it's your update. Yung ganap ngayon ni Alden. Yung nasa recording studio si Alden. Yung kasama niya mag-recording. Si Julia Barreto. Ito nga yung picture nila. Mukhang gagawa sila ng jingle sa kanilang endorsement na Casino Plus. Ito yung sabi doon sa kasama nila. On the way to recording studio to meet our ambassador today. And praying that everyone in this group has a wonderful and blessed today, dahil magkasama nga sila Alden Richard at Julia Barreto sa Casino Plus bilang ambassador. Abangan ang kanilang jingle. Ito pa yung masaya pinapagpa-feature kay Alden na sabi, sharing the same space with celebrity, I could not help but smile and capture the moment. Hello again po, Alden Richard, Gwapo ni Alden, Siyempre ito, save the date, kung saan narampa si Alden sa Bench Fashion Show sa March 21 na yan, sa MOA Arena. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.